I'm going to show you how to add a weekly video call to your calendar. First, we're going to create an event. We're going to call it video meeting. We're going to go to more options, and we're going to make it to where it goes from 10 a.m. to 10:30, and we're going to click repeat weekly on Thursdays. That way it comes up every Thursday. To add a video call, you're going to click on the drop down arrow next to add conferencing, and you're going to click on Hangouts. That way it adds a video call. Next, you'd add a guest. Once you add your guest, it will send them a invite, and weekly it will allow them to video chat with you. But as you can see, it shows up weekly, and then at that time every week they can video chat with you for the video meeting.